From here, once we're in OBS Studio, just right-click and select Paste. You might need to enter in credentials if you're not the administrator on your computer. All right, so now that we've taken the downloaded plugin files and copied them into the OBS folder on our computer, we're ready to start using the plugin for background removal on our webcam in OBS. So if you already have OBS open, go ahead and close it, then reopen it up, and then we just need to simply add a filter to our webcam. If you don't already have your webcam added as a source, to do that, all you need to do is go under Sources, select the little plus symbol, and then go to Video Capture Device, add the device, and then in the devices drop-down, just select your correct webcam that you want to use for your recording or your streaming. Once you've added your camera, all we need to do is right-click that source, then go up to Filters.
Okay. So anong ganap? Hanap ng chicks dito?
Hindi, kakagising ko lang, walang makausap.
Same tayo eh. Sinubukan ko to kasi, ng ganito. Pero parang hindi ako hindi ako sanay sa ganito kasi.
Good for socializing na rin naman po.
Nag-gym ka ba ngayon?
Yeah, opo. Active.
Bala ko sanang mag-gym balik gym, balik loob, pero busy masyado sa trabaho.
Opo, mas lalo na pag may sarili ng pamilya.
Oo, pag may pamilya na talaga.
Mahirap talaga. Yung mga dati mong ginagawa, di mo na pwede gawin.
Noon, nag-start ako ng gym, 13 years old. Nag-stop ako, 20 na, nag-asawa, hindi na nag-gym ulit.
Yeah. Ilang taon na po kayo ngayon?
Na ako, 30. May anak isa.
Bata niyo pa po pala.
Mukhang pagod lang. Mukhang pagod.
Tapos may pasok pa po kayo niya mamaya.
Meron. Linggo lang yung vacant. Rest time.
Pero ang galing niyo po sa luto. Bye-bye po.
Sige, thank you.
Sumbatan.
Sali kayo? Sabi sa namin mo.
Gusto ko din.
Nakatapos na ba kayo? Tapos ka na?
Aba, maaga na sa inyo
Ha?
Oo nga, maaga na pala ngayon.
Opo. Hindi pa rin po kami natutulog.
Kanina pa kasi ako, nag-uminggil kanina pa mga
Huwag ka na mag-
4. Hello?
Yo.
Anong ganap?
What?
Parang hindi ka nakakaintindi ng Tagalog,
May magic ka, boss, no?
Lalawayan ko lang yung camera.
Tingin.
Wag. Biro lang.
God bless, boss.
Sige, thank you. Wala naman ba ako dito?
Bakit? Sabi ko sa'yo.
Parang nakita kanina. Skip.
Apa,
Parang nakausap ko na kayo kanina. Skip na.
Skip mo.
Ano ba hanap mo dito?
Tangina pa no. Ayan o.
Parang maaga na eh. Panata. 5.
Ay, mas dito.
Good morning, Tol. What time is it?
5 p.m.
What country?
Mexico.
Whoa.
Mexico.
Okay.
Philippines? Thailand.
I don't know if I guess that I'm from Vietnam.
Vietnam. Okay.
Ni hao.
Sorry. Almost.
Ni hao.
What time is it over there?
6:15
PM?
AM.
Morning or night?
Morning, AM.
Oh, wow. Really early.
Decline. Hindi tuloy sa sign, malamang ay dollar sign. Kung tsaka charger aking need.
Kayo ba yung nagbibenta ng ano? Okay.
Ang nahanap niya ako madalas. Siyempre di mo ko gusto kasi ikaw ay walang taste.
Ako to isa mo. Iba yung clip ha. Yung nasa likod mo tol, parang yung nagbibenta ng okay sa TikTok.
Ano to lang tol?
Yung nagbibenta ng okay sa TikTok, yung palaging tumatawad. Yung isa mo parang parang siya yun eh. May bata pa pala isa. Dinaman niyo pa ha. Dinaman niyo pa yung kapatid niyo ha. Ano aga tol ha?
Kape.
Kumakanta ka ba dito?
Oo, bakit man?
Kumakanta ka ba?
Bakit?
Siyempre, I will listen.
Okay. Gusto mo kantahan kita?
Oh, wag lang yung Duterte ha.
Ikaw ang Pangulo.
Okay, sabi ko nga wag yung Duterte.
Kantahan kita.
Sige.
Familiar ka na sa Skyline Pigeon Flight?
Ay, kagaguha naman pala dito sa Umingil. Ano ba yan? Skyline Pigeon Fly?
Alam mo yun?
Hindi, sige. I will listen.
Sige. Taga saan ka kuya?
Ako from Mindanao.
Saan sa Mindanao?
Sa Agusan del Sur.
Sa Cotabato kami.
Mapia. Mapia. Mapia.
Turuan kita mag-Mindanao.
Sige.
Ano yung translate mo? Magsalita ka ng Tagalog.
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita, galingangus ka. Basahin mo.
Galinyan ko suka. Sige, kantahan ko kayo ha.
Sige.
Aya masakit Wait lang.
Tatay ka na siguro, no?
Ha?
Tatay ka na siguro.
Oo.
Ilang anak mo?
Isa lang.
Parang anak ko din ako eh.
Parang ikaw nga, 3 na yung asawa mo eh.
Paldo. Lifetime ka butas.
Parang mayaman ka ata eh.
Ay, hindi ako mayaman. Normal lang.
Kung mayaman ka, 5 asawa mo.
Tatay ko gani, 4 ang asawa.
Pwede, may kaibigan ako, 3. Doktor,
Doktor.
from Basilan.
Tatay ko kasi hindi makita-kita.
Yung kaibigan ko, 3 yung asawa. Grabe naman. Tinatry ko lang yung Umingil kasi, bakit ba tayo nagtatalog? Di ba Bisaya kayo? Oo nga pala. Kasi
Ito.
Muslim nga. Ang dami kong kaibigan na Muslim eh. Lahat Maranao. Graduate emisyo ako eh.
Ako, second year college pa ako.
Saan ka nag-aaral?
CSU.
CSU? Caraga State University?
Nope. Cotabato University State.
Okay. May kaibigan ako Iranon from Cotabato din. Raja Muda Muhyiddin ata yung pangalan niya.
Raja Muda? Familiar yun. Ilang taon ka na tayo?
39.
Kumain ka na tayo?
Iba yung mukha ng kapatid mo, yung kaibigan mo dyan, sa gilid pa. Grabe, bully masyado. Akala ko nagtitinda kayo ng ukay-ukay eh.
Kumain ka na, tay?
Nagkape na.
Pero hindi ka pa nakakain, tay.
Parang ano eh. Parang gutom pa eh. Ano ba, hindi kayo natutulog?
Nagigising ko lang.
sige
Nagkakita
na.
mo lang, tay.
Sige, next na naman.
Hindi, magkakita
Skip
mo
mo
lang,
na
tay.
ako. Ha?
Magkakita mo na, tay.
Tapos na eh.
Sige na, tawa.
Sige, skip. Iba na naman
Ay,
yung
sige,
kausapin
tay.
niya.
Sige, tay. Sige.
Hello?
Hello?
I love you. Can I...
Napakaganda mo.
Tagalog. Tagalog. Napakaganda mo ah. Ikaw, maganda ka ba?
Yan, naka ba?
So, inaano ka ba? So you don't understand na.
I don't understand a little bit.
What language in Tanzania?
Swahili, mambo habari,
Tanzania. Okay.
hakuna matata,
I don't know if you know
hakuna
Divine
matata.
Adili?
What?
You know Divine Adili? Who
No.
from Ateneo, Manila? Who
No,
recently
no.
drowned in basketball player actually
I don't
in
know.
the Philippines.
I don't
Okay,
know.
where are you now? Are you teacher?
Teacher, no teacher.
So you're in Tanzania now.
Yeah.
So what are you doing? What time is it in your country?
Is 7 p.m. bro.
7 p.m. Okay, so it's dark.
Yeah.
I have a question to you. 3 questions maybe.
Okay.
Are you getting hurt if someone called you black?
No, I'm not getting her, bro. I love my skin color.
So are you calling yourself black?
Yeah, I love black. That's
You're not,
why I am.
You're not brown or what?
It's
You're
okay.
really
It's black, brown, all the same color.
I am brown
It's
because
okay.
I'm Filipino, but
Yeah, I love black than this color. This is brown, but I prefer to be black.
so you
Dark.
are brown or black?
I am brown, but I prefer to be black.
Okay. So what really is the racist word in Tanzania?
What?
What really is the racist word in Tanzania that hurting
To
people in Tanzania in the general community?
okay. What do you mean?
Racist word, racist.
Resist? I don't get it, by the way. You mean our government stuff, or what do you mean?
I mean, only hurting word that can hurt people.
Okay. In our country, if you say like I don't know, but in our country we are very nice people. We love each other. Then I can judge anyone. But in America, if you say nigger, it's really different. It's mean really different. But
that is
it's
in Africa. So
not in Africa, in America, because there is a racism stuff like that.
okay. So you are a student.
But in our country, yeah, I'm not student. I'm 20 years old.
You're working right now.
I'm
You're
a
currently
grow up
working.
man. Yeah, I'm working.
Oh, okay.
So in our country, we don't value people say you are nigger stuff like that. We don't value because we don't even know what does that mean. Yeah, that is it, bro. But we are very kind. Tanzanian people are very kind, so precious, something like that. But I want a girlfriend from Philippines, bro. I don't love my black skin, a black skin girl. I love white skin girl. Asian, no, I mean Asian skin.
Okay. So you're searching for girlfriend.
I'm not searching, but I will search maybe time I visit there. I want to visit in Philippines.
Like
Maybe
that? A girl like that?
little bit time.
That
I
is
need
wak
time.
wak.
What?
What do you mean by a girl like
What do you
that?
mean?
You want a girl like that?
I love like what?
A girl like that? What do you mean? Are you searching for a Filipina like that? A white girl? Something like that?
Yeah, I you just Philippine girl. I don't care. Just Philippine girl.
Ah, okay.
I don't care. Yeah,
So,
I wanna bring him to my mama. Bring her to my mother.
okay, I understand. Last question, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
All Tanzanian are curly?
What do you mean?
Curly hair.
Oh, carry her. Yeah, yeah, but not them. Not all of them. Some
There's
they if they mix the genetics with American people or like Asian people, they will have a different kind of hair, not like this one. This is
okay.
carry hair, but if someone have different genetics, they can have a different hair. If African mixed Asian, they will build a super baby. Good hair, and a
Okay.
good face.
I
Yeah,
it's like I a little curl also. A little curly also.
yeah. Yeah.
Oh, well, you can search anywhere. Filipina girlfriend if you want. You can come here in the Philippines if you want. We are so hospitable for you.
Okay, appreciate.
If you're going to search any Filipina, a lot here in Omega, but you need to watch yourself.
Okay, okay. I got your word, bro. I got
Okay?
your word.
Because Filipina is don't directly getting a relationship in social media. You need to court her
Good
in
advice.
her own house.
Yeah. I
Okay?
need it.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you and
Okay.
God bless.
Okay. That's our daughter right there.
Asa man ito man kayo ni? Asa man din siya?
Opo. Bakit nagkikuhanan kanyang iPhone?
Grabe sa yuha kaayo eh. Ah, bagong gising lang ah. Umingil agad.
Ikaw din ah. Ano ah?
Ano dito bro? Gabi.
Gabi dyan? Saan ka ba?
Nagaskar?
Ano nagaskar?
Hindi, biro lang. Biro lang. Oh, bayot na. Bayot? Bayot?
Hindi ah.
Ah,
Ang daming bayot no.
sabi kong bayot kay kasagaran ako may story diri mga bayot na yung mga tawanan ni. Daga kay mga trip aning umingol kay i-post nila sa YouTube. Di ba? Ako ra gitripan yung mga tawanan. Bayot na po ni. Oo nga, bayot gid. Hello. Good morning po.
Tulog na tayo.
Hi, Ivy. Ivy.
Bayot pud mo? Yeah, you don't understand. I mean, are you gay?
No, I'm not gay. Nobody.
You know, a lot of gays here in Omingo. You know, even black people are gays who keep on
Uh,
posting in YouTube. Bayot pud ni. Bayot pud ni. Sige pud post sa kuan YouTube. Bayot gud ni siguro. Bayot gud.
Hi,
Bayot.
Daddy.
Ay
Hi,
bayot gid lagi
Daddy.
ni ay. Bayot gid lagi.
Hi, Daddy.
Kada ka magbayot ani. Ano sa na imong matatol?
Ano na, ano? Tinamaan ng ano, pintuan.
Baka nagda-drive ka walang helmet.
Hindi, gagi. Sa pintuan ng ano, dito sa bahay.
Bakit may ano? Yung pintuan nyo?
Happy, tawang-tawa ka. Taga saan ka, kuya?
Taga Mindanao. Ay, ayaw ko nang magano. Tama na to. Bayot po ni.